Okay, offers marketing
Right.
channels, 90-day action plan, here it is. Okay, now the next thing we'll do, now we have to go to, let's go on it. I think we have another meeting after that. Here's, by the way, the course creators, right? Try them. They're in the system. They're in
Okay, I
the
didn't see
Wellness
those.
Universe. Look, I'll show you. Look for it. Marketing plan output. Here it is. Okay, how often? It's a marketing plan. I didn't want that one. Give me a better one. I wanted the content plan wizard. Here it is. Okay. Oh, that's this one. Yeah. How often can you realistically create and share content?
Definitely 3 to 5 times a week.
Okay. What tone do you want your content to have? Inspirational, educational, fun and lighthearted, bold and direct?
Inspirational
I
and
would say-
enlightening.
Yeah, I was saying inspirational too.
Cool. What are your favorite colors and symbols for imagery?
Mine is
Definitely.
turquoise.
Yeah, and gold probably. That's they go well.
Okay. And there's, of course, you can always do your own, and you can actually, when you later do your brand strategy, which there's an app for you there too, you can
Okay.
add your own hex codes if you already have some.
Oh, okay.
I'll just click on sample. It just gives you ideas. Oh, sample image. Do you have an image? Why did I set that? Gary, we have to set that to not require the image. Do you have an image I can use? Just put it in the chat.
Oh, I thought we had
Okay,
that
yeah.
option. I
Brand
thought that
image,
was
a
optional.
logo.
I could definitely get an image.
We need
That's
to take it
required,
off.
huh?
the-
Wow.
That's required. Well, that's the little bugs that we still work out.
Oversight, yeah.
But our goal is not really to blow up and become a multi-million-dollar business.
They want to be?
No, we don't need to be a multi-million-dollar business. No. We want to make a difference for other wellness entrepreneurs that are aligned with us. That's all. I met the owner of an AI system a few weeks ago. It's called All AI. It's still not launched. They wanted to launch in September, so I don't know. They were previous in Google AI division. That's what he told me, the owner. And you know what? They got $11 million startup seed funding.
Oh,
Yeah.
Wow.
And they boast with that on their landing page. I'll never buy that just because of that. I think it stinks.
Aaron
Never
is
mind money. Money is great,
Gary?
but no, not none of us. I
Gary.
told
Yes.
Gary.
Aaron is sharing something AI generated like that for, I think it's like, well, you guys are doing it for wellness entrepreneurs. And I think Aaron's in something else that it's for
Oh,
like
really?
all different types of systems, I think.
Hmm.
I was just gonna get you, see what your thoughts were on it
Yeah,
or
you can have a look.
whatever.
Yeah, I haven't seen that.
Short. Yeah.
I've been
I
so
mean-
busy, I haven't had time to look really at anything. It's been crazy.
Okay. Yeah, I hear you.
Is that the one you
Okay,
sent us a
I'll
link
send it through
for?
Messenger. It's gonna let me through the text there.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Mhm.
And we
What's
definitely
the
can
name
have
of
a
it,
look.
Sharon?
What's
You'll find out for me.
Okay, you should
Aaron's
have
last
their
name?
name.
Okay. Purpose to profit. Okay. Save image, copy image will do, I think. Now I have to save it from Facebook. Save image as. No,
I like that. That's pretty cool. That image.
Yeah, I do. Just mostly playing around with the images and when I was doing the course. So yeah, it got really accurate too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's fun to create stuff like that.
It's,
It's amazing
And
what you can come up with, right? It's
I know, yeah, yeah.
pretty awesome.
And how it's all
I just sent it to
it's
you,
all
Gary.
aligned with the
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Opened in-
okay, there's a sample image now. Let me share I don't think I share anymore. Let's share this. Now I uploaded your sample image here.
Okay.
Generate results.
And what app is this in again? The
This is our base app. We use Deal.ai.
okay.
Our app is a white label of Deal.ai, which
Okay.
is extremely much harder to white label a system than we originally thought. Because
Oh,
you
is it?
have to do everything again and yourself. If you just take a system and sell the ready-made system, it's much easier.
Right, right. Yes.
But I know one lady, she bought it from us and she wanted to white label it and she just didn't get it done. She never managed to actually set it up as her own system because the whole login, log out, OAuth things and all that stuff, you have to do it yourself.
Okay.
It's not as easy as a WordPress page, which is pretty simple to organize. I thought I could
Right.
do it because I knew WordPress, but this one, oh my God. It's getting easier now because, of course, they have a program now, and it's actually also in the system. You can make a whole website in about 10 seconds with AI. I like it
Right.
as an image, but then it says that you have to create a super data account, and of course, you know GitHub, right, Taylor?
Yes.
You have to know all that technology thing to actually make it work. And I found that
Right.
pretty hard to do.
Yeah.
I did it, super data, all that stuff. And another one, disco, oh, I don't know. Faith anchored content pillars, marketing strategy, target audience content preferences, content pillars and themes, scripture rooted teaching on energy alignment and body wisdom. Lead generation positions you as calm authority, drives blueprint downloads and webinar signups.
Yeah. Good.
Facebook Live devotionals, blog post, email mini sermons. Doesn't have to be a sermon. You call it what you want. Explaining bioenergetic scan results and healing protocols in simple, empowering language. And of course, what you leave out the details. That's the trick for sales. You show them what's possible without giving them all the details they need.
Right. Okay.
Transformational stories, client journeys, you can show, for example, that was her Solex scan result. And then we did the healing protocol number 25/7 or whatever you want to call it.
Right.
Connected her and aligned her soul with the spiritual realm. And through Sharron's influence and healing powers, she now feels whole and connected and is able to work 24/7.
Right. Yeah.
Or she landed her first $10,000 client or whatever you want to achieve, right?
Right.
As the end result. Short reels illustrating scan charts, infographic carousels behind the scenes video. Fosters curiosity, lead generation invites discovery calls for personalized scan, transformational stories, content types, testimonial reels, and so on. There's your framework. Visual brand guidelines, lead generation content tactics. There's your 5-day blueprint with celestial design. See it, notice the celestial guided healing journal PDF locked behind opt-in. 15 minutes devotional audio series delivered via email after opt-in. Guided content, gated. Workshop replay, that's only who gets it. See, make a workshop. Understanding your energy blueprint and faith. CTAs and landing pages. Clear discovery call. Booking button after every live and email. urgency banners for early bird group program enrollment. If you do group programs, pop up on blog, offering devotional audio in exchange for email. That's an idea, or on social media.
Yeah.
And guidelines, there's some ideas, template ideas, consistency tips. So you'll get those, and you can't wait to see your results. There are some examples. There's what to do and how. It shows you a whole table, weekly content and how to do it. Now, of course, most of that you don't Facebook minute, you can do it within our system. You can connect Facebook and Instagram to our system. Same for WhatsApp. It costs, I think, $10 extra a month plus taxes. Email is good. Facebook Messenger is probably good for you, and it's integrated in the system weekly. And there's email. Don't use ConvertKit. Okay, we have to train our bot better. It has to recommend our system and not ConvertKit. Pfui. Website.
Oh, yeah, usually we catch that. I know.
Yeah. And the same internal Trello, Asana, content planning. Well, yeah, maybe. Trello is free. Asana is free. That's pretty cool. Alrighty.
Yeah.
Let's download that for you. Any questions so far?
No, it's pretty thorough.
What do you
Yes.
think about the devotional audio?
Devotional audio.
Mm-hmm.
Is that like you're speaking into it and somebody's, you
Yeah, I could see. Yeah, I think
um
I think Sharon could do really well with that.
yes, I
Little
was
short
shown
ones,
that.
yeah.
I was shown that to do guided meditation healing to
Yeah, I
sit
was
in the
thinking of
power.
meditation too. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
I'll show you the affirmation wizard, positive affirmation wizard that's inside the system. It creates amazing guided meditations.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
Wow.
created some on the website myself.
I've done several with like close friends and other people. Like
Yes.
and I've like my guides would tap in with their guides and then walk them down through like what areas needed clearing, breathing, where
Wow.
energy stuff,
Yes.
and showing all of that. And then I was really tapping in well with doing the scans, and then the information starts to come in then about where they are emotionally. And so the only thing that I would need help with outside of like our MLMs is like the next best step, which I'm not a doctor. So, it's getting into the nitty gritties of, what types of medications are on and what interferes with that. Like that's out of my, I feel like that's the only thing I feel it's like kind of holding me back is like, what do we do next? Your scan, now what?
Okay. Yeah, maybe we should talk about that again, because there's a lot you can do without
That's,
overstepping any legal boundaries. And I think that's mainly the what holds you back, right? The legal question.
Well, pretty much. Like I don't want to, yeah.
Well, you always say, like most people, they're not doctors. If you're gonna, it's up to you and your doctor if you're gonna change medication. So that's not, anything they
No.
were gonna take, you still recommend they consult their doctor, not because you think they should. It just relieves you of that responsibility, right? You're just suggesting what they need,
Mhm,
and it's up to them to how they implement it.
mhm.
Yeah, safely
Very
or
true.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we'll do today is we'll send that to you to reflect on.
yes.
Please come to the meetings if you at all can, because we give a lot of good content and they are not all recorded because we forget all the time. Right, Gary?
Today has been bad. We forgot twice today. I don't,
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I was
And
dealing with the dogs getting them in and out just a minute ago.
yeah,
That's
and
why
we
I
have
went
in
off
3
camera. I meant to
minutes
hit mute
another
and I hit video.
client, so we need
Oh,
to hop
right.
off to another client. But I will send that to you and Sharon by email.
Okay, yeah.
And I'd be happy what we'll do now sometimes. If you are stuck in one area, you just schedule a call as long as it takes, maybe a few weeks out, and we'll actually walk you through the whole process in the system, in the system, build your whole stuff until it's ready to go. We did it today for a client. But the only condition for us is we want to record it and then be allowed to publish it on YouTube.
Oh, right, yes.
It's
Yeah,
marketing
Yeah, we need a
content
little
for
more
us.
time. A little
Yeah,
more time
and-
too. We spent 2 hours earlier with a member and, you know,
Yeah.
that was pretty good. We were able to get a lot done.
Oh, good.
Straightened the whole business in a box system out and built her funnel. And she's selling the patch. You probably know that too.
Oh,
And
I
some
think I
other
heard
stuff.
that.
Mhm.
I'd like to start getting my feet wet with doing guided meditations.
Yeah.
It's more of like a tapping into the emotional, not just a meditation. I don't know how
Yes.
to word that, but I also want to, and I've had it there now for 2 months, and I just like, if I don't do something soon, I feel like I'm gonna fucking burst because I'm like, I feel like there's a fire under my ass, and I feel like I'm not getting things done fast enough.
Try this, try
just,
this
like-
affirmation wizard, Taylor. It's in the system for you. You can use it as a topic
is awesome.
idea. And it sends you,
Yep.
not just that, it gives you a longer guided affirmation. You can change it and speak it. And what I
Oh,
do,
that's
I
really
use
nice,
that
yeah.
with clients. I created with clients. They have a problem.
Okay,
And I'll put the problem in here as a topic idea, even if it's pain, knee pain, chronic pain, neck pain. It creates a positive affirmation, images that you can share, and then an affirmation.
And you can copy and paste this and plug it into the Video Express creator and create an AI video off of it too.
Or you can
Oh,
do it
that's really
yourself,
good.
which is even more powerful. And let me see, we actually in our website, we have example of that. And people don't
So
go
you
in.
could actually make like a meditation video series.
Yes,
Yes,
I did
That'd
it.
be cool.
exactly.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Look at this one. Look in the blog, positive
Okay.
affirmations. It's on the website. Watch these examples of high-performing AI with our specialized. This is affirmations. Some examples of positive affirmation. Topic anger. Topic calm. Topic resilience. Topic weight. Topic boundaries. Regret. Get creative now, right?
No.
I like that. Yeah.
This is pretty good. So try it, see what you like, and if you need us to change something, let us know. We are here to
Yeah.
help make the apps better. And if you need a custom app to do something for you that AI can do, we'll
Yeah.
do it. And of course, we need human input.
Right.
AI helps humans be more productive, have ideas, and work, I would say, a little bit more effective. It will never
Right.
replace human because AI is
No.
cold and cannot love you. It can simulate love very well, but that's all.
Right.
Yeah.
All right,
That's
we're late for our 3 o'clock. We better
Yeah.
get.
We are late. We
Good
have to
seeing you
go.
guys.
Okay, we'll see you.
yes.
Let us
Take
know
care.
how you made out. We'll send you that by email. Okay,
Is,
take care.
Okay, take care.